Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be unboxing this Staedtler pencil set, which is a 2HB. I am going to try out the 2HB pencils for my drawing for an everyday basis. So I thought let's try this and see. So this is with an eraser tip at the back. It's blue and I picked it up for about 192 and this has I think this is about a pack of 12, which is why it comes up to 16 per pencil. So let's try these out. I'm going to see what all the packaging has. I think this is HB2 and not 2HB, so you can see what it's written over here, and it's interesting that it comes pre-sharpened already. So there is an eraser tip on this and it's pre-sharpened. So this pack contains 12 pencils and they look really nice. They have the Staedtler written on it. This is the Norica series. These are the numbers for it, and this is HB2. So let's try and see what is different with the HB2 against HB and probably the other variations of it. So this is my Staedtler Hb2. It's very smooth, extremely soft. Let me zoom in and show you. It's not too hard. It's very nice. It holds well. The grip is really good, and I really like how the color is. So I'm going to now compare this with a few other ones. I'm going to start first with a Norica HB. Which looks very similar in terms of the color, but you can see how the gradient, when I do the gradation, this is so much more smoother as compared to the one below. This is the Norica HB. And now we'll try a couple of more. This one is from Amazon Basics. And this is the HB, and you can already see how light the color is. It's not at all nice to hold. It's not good when you're trying to create the gradation. I don't like anything about this pencil. I remember being very excited when I got them, and a couple of them did seem good, but then when I ended up buying like a huge batch of, let's say, I think 36 pencils, most of them turned out to be really bad. So I'm not at all happy with that. So I have another one over here. This is the Extra Super Dark from DOMS, which is really dark. But you can see that the graphite in the Staedtler is still a little more nicer, especially when I'm trying to create the lighter lines. The Staedtler one is definitely much more wonderful than all its other companions. So I love this pencil. I am quite excited about getting this whole set. I'm going to make all of my illustrations now with this, and I hope this video was helpful for you to decide whether these pencils are useful for you or it's not. So I'm going to make a very quick sketch right now with these pencils, and we'll create some shading inside and see how it stands with that. We'll just create a basic flower. The lines are very easy and neat to create. So I don't have to put a lot of pressure to make it dark. It's very light. It feels good to use. So the edges are not, the tip at least is not too sharp. It's a good amount, so it really so I'm able to blunt it easily. So it's pretty useful in shading. feels very nice to use this. I feel like I'm using it on the really thick cartridge sheets or on watercolor paper. So far I absolutely love these pencils, and I'm going to be using a lot more of this. If you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing for it and hitting the bell icon so you can get notifications every time I put up a new video. Thank you. See you for the next one.